Stop washing your floors the old way. This is the new H12 Pro FlexReach floor washer from our partner Dreame, which basically means that it's a wet and dry vacuum with a ton of technology packed in, so you can use it to wash your entire floor with its 50-minute battery life or spot clean various messes like dry crackers, sticky rice, blueberries, spilled milk, or even a ton of barbecue sauce with ease. And believe it or not, I cleaned up all of those messes on a single tank without having to empty or clean it, since the mop brush cleans itself as it spins, and when you're done, simply place it on the charging stand and press the self-cleaning button to fully wash and clean the brush with 194-degree water, and then heat dry the brush to keep it smelling fresh. It's truly the best innovation for spot cleaning the floors at home, making life so much easier so you won't have to think twice when your kids spill their milk and cereal or make a big mess while eating, which my kids do all the time. I've actually been using the original H12 Pro for the past few months, and it's been by far my favorite wet and dry mop vacuum, being the only one I've used that doesn't smell, and it's been so good that I actually got one that my sister-in-law is now using for her floors with her kids, and I've also been recommending it to many friends and family. Now this new one is the upgraded H12 Pro FlexReach model, which has a couple of awesome advantages like being able to lie flat to reach under furniture. But before I get into explaining all of the new features and upgrades, I want to show you guys how easy this thing is to set up. When you first open the box up, you'll be greeted with some quick setup instructions on the inside, as well as a bunch of extra parts like some concentrated cleaning solution, an extra mop brush, an extra filter, and a cleaning brush for the dirty water tank. Below that, you'll find the base station, which you simply plug into a wall outlet, and the floor washer itself has a really nice and classy design, which is all pretty much ready to go and assembled, except for the handle, which you simply slide in until you hear the click, and there you go, it's pretty much ready to clean. But first, you'll find the clean water tank on the bottom, which you can easily remove, flip over, and fill with a mixture of cleaning solution and water before popping it back in, and now you're ready to go. Just press the power button on the handle and you'll see the display light up, showing you the current battery percentage and all the different modes, which are nicely explained and detailed with that sticker on top, including smart mode for everyday auto cleaning, turbo mode for tough stains, quiet mode for late nights, and suction mode for heavy liquid spills. So getting started with cleaning, I went ahead and cleaned up pretty much my entire floor to get rid of any dirt, stains, or hair, which, by the way, the H12 Pro FlexReach comes with Tangle Cut technology with this comb tooth scraper with built-in blades, so you'll never have hair caught up or clogged. And in just a few minutes, I had all of the floors cleaned up nicely thanks to the upgraded wheels that are beefier and help you glide across the floor more easily compared to the H12 Pro, easily flexing side to side when needed, and you can see the shine of the wet floors after cleaning, which shows how good of a job this does, including, for the first time, getting all the way under my standing cabinets in the living room thanks to its 180-degree lie flat reach feature, which works thanks to Dreame including this little wheel on the bottom which allows it to fully lay down on the floor without scratching your floors or anything else to reach under places like, let's say, all the way under my dining table and chairs, which the original H12 Pro could not do. But the FlexReach can reach spaces like this as low as 14 centimeters for the whole thing, or just the brush head as low as 9.6 centimeters. And I love how the brush cleans itself as it spins at 480 RPM, wringing out all the dirty water and suctioning it up into the dirty water tank. So you're not just spreading dirt around everywhere, you get a nice flow of clean water all the time, and you get 50 minutes of battery life, which is enough to clean 3,200 square feet on one charge. And when you're done, simply pull out the dirty water tank, and when you open it up, you'll see that the solids are separated from the liquids for easier cleaning. So simply dump all that out, pop it back in, and you're ready for more. But then came the time to challenge the H12 Pro FlexReach with a bunch of tough messes, starting with a bunch of concentrated graham cracker crumbs, which it easily handled thanks to its up to 18,000 pascals of suction power, so it sucks everything right up, including this pile of blueberries, which got sucked up with no issues at all. I then moved on to a pile of sticky rice, which it once again handled with ease, all in one go, which was great. I also spilled a bunch of milk and it handled it instantly, and then I even squirted a ton of barbecue sauce right on the floor next to my island, and to my surprise, it cleaned it up rather quickly. And since the mop keeps washing itself all the time, all that barbecue sauce does go up into the dirty tank, and it uses fresh water to clean that mop brush, even though you do have some discoloration, but it gets rid of all the stickiness. And by the way, I also love how the mop brush goes edge to edge on both sides, so you can go right up against your island, your cabinets, furniture, your baseboards, so nothing is missed, so you don't have to go and manually wipe anything up. And finally, I spilled an entire glass of water and tested out the suction mode, which basically stops the flow of water to the mop brush, so you can more easily suck up large spills like this. And look at that, it's all cleaned up and the floors look great within moments. Now the best part is that when you're all done, simply glide it over to the base station, pop it on, click the self-cleaning button, which will put it through an entire cycle of cleaning, starting with pipe cleaning to make sure you don't have any clogs in the pipes. Then you have a heated wash with a dual rotating brush, which basically gets it all cleaned up. And I actually lifted up the rubber flap so you can see this in action, and it gets really hot. Once again, 194 degrees. And then finally, it also goes through a heating cycle, which will spin the brush with high speed while heating, which will leave you with a dry and fluffy brush that's not gonna stink. And I love how the base station always keeps it charged up and ready to go for whenever you have a quick spot clean you have to get done after the kids eat and make a mess, or if you simply just wanna clean and sanitize all of your floors around the house. So with that said, if you haven't tried a wet and dry vacuum like this, I absolutely recommend the H12 Pro FlexReach, because I thought my previous H12 Pro was great, but this takes it to a whole new level of clean, since I can now get under all my furniture like my dining table and chairs, as well as my living room cabinet, and the cleaning performance is now stronger than I've ever seen before. So with that said, if you want to check this out for yourself, you're gonna find a discount code and link in the description and pinned comment below. I would definitely recommend it to you, so definitely check it out and try it today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.